Business things, business things, business things, business things, business things, business things. Say business things, business things, business things, business things, business. Greetings, day 7. This I'm starting day off. Quick little run, probably run by 12. I ain't doing nothing crazy. We gotta earn that breakfast after that, go eat that breakfast. Get over stuff. On the way back home, y'all. Day 7. Good run. A little over a mile, nothing crazy. 4.5 was a mile, so 1.5, that makes sense. I'm sorry, 5. No miles to warm up with me. But I really wasn't in the mood. I had to push myself. I had to earn this breakfast. I think I did good, guys. Look at this view, man. My wife in the bed. I left her in the bed. You know, everybody ain't gonna make it. Everybody in this workout thing. Time to eat breakfast and I earned it. I don't know if I'm meet over my wife. I just tell her. She make it. She don't. I'm gonna eat it. So I ate breakfast, worked out the whole night. My wife just started working out. I tell you. Let's go wave at her. Going to my room. Gotta learn to be on time, man. Big on time. Where's she at? Let me see her. Yeah, walking. In the pink, that's her walking. I did a whole workout. I ate breakfast already. Shaking my head. Hey, I ain't waiting on you. I'm about to go downstairs. I'm gonna holler at you. Her feelings hurt. Feelings hurt. Should I stay? Alright, I'm staying. Y'all look who's out there, y'all. They do it all in my way. Yeah. Of course, I know this is after the fat, but good lunch. Good lunch. This is good. Oh, your baby, boy. And Shamika on her phone. Hey.
You okay? I think I need to talk to everybody.
Eating dinner on the ship. Going to dinner. I hear music. Where that come from? Where everybody go eat. I'm not gonna lie, we eat so much that I haven't been hungry 7 out here. Technically, I'm not hungry right now. I'm not gonna lie. Forgive me, Alba. Even though I did eat like 4 hours ago, but we've been eating so much. It's crazy. We're about to go eat though.
Wearing staff, our wind jump team, we call them the champions, who wakes up before you and go to bed after you. Your dining room team, as we call them, cream de la cream, please do recognize them.
my waiter right here. This guy that took care of us the whole cruise.
Thank you so
Jose,
much.
where you from? Jose from where? Philippines. What is that? Big up Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Big up Philippines. Say hi. No, just say hey. Hey.
All good, all good.
All right, all right, all right.
Thank you. Please fill up the survey form for Jose, yeah?
Yeah, Jose is the man. All right, last dinner, guys, last night. A lot of stuff going on. Where you going? Hold up, hold up. Where you so quick to run to the... Let's see what's going on down here. Where you trying to go? Look at the view, the water calm. Mrs. Chambers over here. Yeah, we about to do a little reading. She do it in the metaverse, I do it in the real world. Real book. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, you know you reach a certain age, start making noise when you sit down. Oh. I don't know if that was a real one or it was a fake one, but boy, I made some noise. Oh, I'm supposed to be reading. We don't see if I read. Last night we came out here, we were supposed to read. Didn't read. Look at her. What's the thing? You yawning?
It's time right now.
Is what? What'd you say?
I'm up.
No. I forgot where I was at.
All right, so we have 8 contestants tonight, and guess what? You guys are gonna help me decide who will be walking home the champion of the Superstars. Both members of the 4-H club, both active in the FFA. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell.
Let's go, Layla.
Summer days bound by. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts. Love is nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, how bad I remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Searching for a hero, people need. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little drink, 'cause she can't chew it. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will you mouth to remember the taste of my love? Loving you till we're 17. Being too far gone.
Big tune, brother.
Oh, it's smooth. It's Tennessee whiskey. It's young and sweet. It's strawberry wine. It's young and wine. It's a glass of brandy.
All right.
Hey,
look, I can't sing. I would have been up
on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom and the bottom's already dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. No, Tennessee whiskey. It's young and sweet. Strawberry wine. It's young as warm as a glass of brandy. Now the ice stays gone on your love all the time. Here's a surprise for y'all. You're smooth. It's Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet. Strawberry wine.
All right, guys, this is the gentleman who actually won, and he definitely deserved it. Even though I would have voted for Layla because that's just my favorite. Because we gotten to know Layla over the 7 days on the cruise, so I would have voted for her. But he deserved it. He definitely has a different level. From what I heard, he actually is he sings for real. He writes for singers or something like that. I don't know his name, but big up yourself whoever you are. Anyways, guys, appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make sure your boy Lando, you know what it is, man. Not him, but man, though. Boom!